Emergency sirens are designed to warn us in the event of a life-threatening situation like a tornado. One county in Arkansas, though, deciding whether or not it will continue to use them.
Our Alexis Wainwright joining us now live in Monticello. Alexis, what's the reasoning for possibly getting rid of them altogether?
Well, Bob and Laura, first we want you to know that we're staying inside the car right now just to play it safe as we see some of those storms move through Drew County. Now, what we know right now is that about 27 of those sirens are located across this county, but the county quorum court says that those sirens are an outdated system when it comes to technology and trying to get out those emergency alerts. This is the sound of a true warning for people in Drew County to find shelter during an emergency. Wednesday is another busy day at the Office of Emergency Management. Tornado watches and warnings were issued across the state. But the focus this month is if emergency sirens are still needed.
Our sirens doesn't pick up storms coming or whatever. They didn't do that. So the technology of people sending out messages and stuff is the way to go.
Jesse Griffin, the Drew County Office of Emergency Management Coordinator, says a proposed resolution aims to get rid of all 27 sirens in the county. Griffin says there are better ways for them to alert people in an emergency.
I don't believe anybody in the county doesn't have some kind of phone. And like I said, we're smart people down here. I mean, we know when the weather gets bad, you go inside.
He says they are already using a system that leaves a message on everyone's phone during emergencies. Meanwhile, the county quorum court says the upkeep and repairs for the sirens are costly.
You can get this app, you can get this, you can see the quickness of how it comes in and things of that nature, and we're not spending that much money.
During our tours of the sirens, one of them that we tested didn't even work. If this proposed resolution was passed, the county would start phasing out the emergency sirens in the next 18 to 24 months. And since some of the sirens are located within city limits, the city council would decide and vote as far as if they want to keep those sirens if this proposal is passed. In the meantime, the quorum court will vote on this on April 12th. Reporting live tonight in Monticello, Alexis Wainwright, KARK 4 News.